First of all, open your CapCut and create a new project. And here you will find video and photos option to make a GIF. In my case, I'm going to selecting multiple photos to make GIF. So here's I've selected 5 photos. And if you want to make a GIF from video, then select video tab and just add the video into your project. So here, as you can see, all of my photos have been successfully imported in CapCut. Now just resize your photo or video just like so. And here we can see the short video final look. And make sure to delete the outro from this CapCut. So select the ending part and tap on delete. Okay, now you can just go ahead and you can add text, add overlay, add effects to your image or video footage. And after that, it's time to say export is as GIF. So tap on the 720p at the top right, and here you have to select GIF. And now select standard if you're a free CapCut user and tap on export, and you have successfully exported your GIF. Now just go to your gallery, and here we can see the GIF. And this is how we can easily make a GIF in CapCut.